Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Both Xcode and VSCode are widely used integrated development environments, but they serve different purposes and cater to different user needs. So let us discuss them. So purpose and platform. Xcode. It's Apple's official IDE for macOS and is primarily designed for iOS, macOS, watchOS, and tvOS development. It's deeply integrated into the Apple ecosystem, providing all the necessary tools for building apps for Apple devices. Now, VSCode, on the other hand, is a lightweight cross-platform editor that works on Windows, macOS, and Linux. It supports many languages and is often used for web development, Python, JavaScript, and other general programming tasks. Now let us move on. Features and customizability. Xcode is feature-rich and comes with advanced tools like Interface Builder for designing UIs, simulators for testing, debugging tools, and integrated performance testing tools like instruments. After that, VSCode. It's a highly customizable editor. While it starts as a simple code editor, you can extend its functionality with plugins, making it a very powerful tool for a variety of programming languages. So guys, next up we have ease of use and learning curve. So Xcode has a steep learning curve, especially for beginners. It's a comprehensive IDE that requires time to learn, especially if you're new to Apple development tools like Swift and Objective-C. However, it's highly optimized for Apple development and provides a seamless experience. After that, VS Code. It's user-friendly and has a much lower learning curve. Its interface is clean and the core features work out of the box. It's easy to get started with, especially for web development and other general programming. Now, performance. Xcode is heavily IDE and requires significant system resources. It can feel slow or resource-intensive, especially when building large projects or running simulators. VS Code is lightweight and fast, especially compared to larger IDEs like Xcode. It uses less of your system memory and starts up quickly, making it ideal for small to medium projects. So guys, then we have language and support extensions. So Xcode supports Swift, Objective-C, and C/C++ for development within the Apple ecosystem. VS Code supports a wide variety of languages through extensions including Python, JavaScript, TypeScript, Go, C++, Java, and more. So in terms of the pricing, Xcode is completely free, and VS Code is also free and open source, and it works on all major OSs. So guys, basically the conclusion is going to be Xcode is the go-to choice for Apple developers and provides all the necessary tools. VS Code is perfect for cross-platform development, lightweight coding, and supporting multiple programming languages. Guys, enjoy the video. Hopefully this comparison cleared out some of the dust and you can understand which one is better suited for you. Of course, don't forget to support us, like the video and subscribe. See you in the next one, guys.